located. When is his next court date?
It'll be an arraignment February 8th at 8 a.m. with Judge Ingram and Vieira.
Next court date, arraignment February 8th, 8 o'clock, Vieira Courthouse, Judge Ingram. Thank you, Mr. Rios.
Your Honor, I have Sam Bookhart present requesting to take Simone Smith, docket number 43.
Very well, Mr. Bookhart.
Good afternoon, Judge.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you doing, sir?
They told me you're here, but you were talking, so I didn't want to disrupt your conversation with your client.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Smith, your full name, please. You recognize Mr. Bookhart as your attorney of record this afternoon?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to allow him to speak on your behalf?
Yes, sir.
2 cases before the court. On-site violation of probation, also new charge of theft, felony, and giving a false name to law enforcement. Mr. Bookhart, you got a copy of the on-site report together with the new charges?
I have, yes, everything on the 92301. That's what I have, Judge.
At this point, any argument as to the issue of probable cause, or do you concur probable cause is there?
We're not going to object regarding probable cause. We disagree, but we're not going to object, and we understand the standard for this proceeding, Judge.
Very well. What is your recommendation as far as bond?
As far as my recommendation, Judge, I think it's very important for the court to take this in consideration. My client is only 27 years old. She was born and raised in Brevard County. Judge, she has 4 minor children, and the youngest is 4 months. She currently works at a local seafood place, and she works approximately 30 to 35 hours per week, and she's been working there since August of 2017. She provides support for her 3 kids and herself, 4 kids. They live with her, and it would be very difficult, even now, Judge, as she's here away from her kids, because she provides financial support to her kids. And so we ask the court to take in consideration. According to my understanding, Judge, there appears to be no failure to appear. I think one was initial issue, but it got dismissed because there was an issue regarding when she was pregnant and whether she got proper notice. But according to my understanding, she'd never been convicted of a failure to appear. And of course, we know that's very important because there appears to be some contact with the system, but when you look at that limited contact, or how you want to characterize it, she never failed to appear. She respects the court system. She will come to court as ordered by the court. In addition to working, Judge, and taking a responsibility to raise 4 minor children, she also goes to school online. She's been going to school online for about 3 months now. And so, Judge, she has a lot of good things that she's doing, and we just need an opportunity to fulfill those obligations that she have outside, specifically with those kids. And, Judge, when I look at this, knowing that this is a nonviolent offense, we still throw ourselves in merciless court on the theft charge, the alleged new law violation where they send prior convictions to make it a felony. We asking for a bond amount, Judge, even though when I asked this, it'd be pretty tough. But I do believe, I don't know how much, but I do believe there may be some family members that may be assist with the bond. But we ask for a bond amount for the new theft charge, no greater than $2,000. If so, Judge, it may be no bond at all. And on the on-site VOP, as the court is aware, again, this is a nonviolent offense, and the first appearance judge still has discretion on whether to grant a bond. And we ask you respectfully, Judge, to use your discretion, specifically since she does not, I submit to you, not score prison, and is a nonviolent offense. So we ask for a bond for the alleged violation of probation, I believe probation, not community control, no greater than $3,000, Judge, for a total amount of $5,000. That's going to be pushing it, but we understand when the judge looks at the situation that they're going to be